Hey guys, what's up? So today we should do a Cuba download article, guys. It's called Chimera Jailbreak, and basically it's how to install Chimera Jailbreak on iOS 12 up to 12.4 on A7 up to A12 devices. Comes with Sileo installed on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch or iPod. So Chimera Jailbreak is only an open source tool for iOS 12. Supports A7-A12 devices. Option to install Sileo package manager. Works with all iPhones, iPads, and iPods. And iPhones. This is the best alternative for Uncover. So you download Chimera on supported devices with a direct link without a computer inside of the IPA file. Chimera supports A9-A11 devices, iOS 12.1.4 up to 12.4, and some betas of 12.3. It was created by the Electra team, which is Coolstar. He's part of that team. We recommend All-Star app as the official way to install the Chimera Jailbreak. So to install Chimera without a computer, you can be installing a device running iOS 13 without a computer, even though it doesn't support iOS 13. I think it's an error. iOS 12 official apps. So basically, using an enterprise certificate, it gets revoked. So you can use the proxy to run revoked apps. Follow these steps right here, and that's the proxy you guys want to add. Just follow these steps, and then yes, you can install it from Safari. So you can basically have all these methods. So let's just say let's try this one. Doesn't work. Next one to tap. You got all these links to try with the method. Also try and install the. Did I already have? No, I don't have it installed. Also try and install it with the proxy installed. If you have a jailbreak already, there's no point you installing this unless you want to switch jailbreaks. Then just have Apps and Unify installed, then you can just install this. But try having a proxy, and you guys should be good. So that's actually another app I'm downloading, and then I'm not sure what this download is. Do I already have this app installed? I don't think I do. This is Chimera, right? Yeah. Let's try it again. Install. Okay, now it's installing right there. Okay. And then you basically want to trust it. So go to Settings, General, Performance, Device Management, and then tap on Trust, and then you could just run, the Chimera app. So it's a tool not only feature a core trust bypass, so the binaries don't need to be resigned, but to also support for A7-A12 devices, including iPhone XS, iPhone XR, and the newest iPad. It doesn't tamper with user files, making it safer than alternatives. So you see right there, tap on Jailbreak. It tells you right there if your phone is compatible, exploit section, having trouble. So you can restore rootfs, which you give it like a whole jailbreak. Also different exploits you can use for like a better chance of jailbreaking. You can disable your tweets. That's if you have a problem with the tweak and it's not like letting you open Cydia or like just putting you in safe mode. You just want to remove that bad tweak you installed. So you guys can read more about it right here. There's basically about the exploits, difference between them, the GitHub project through C and Objective C, Chimera 13. So yeah, so Chimera 13, complete jailbreak file is 13.0. All jailbreaks like for different iOS versions, but like I think the cool thing is like how they jailbreak. They use like different like exploits, all that stuff. They jailbreak. Uncover compared to checkering, they use different exploits to support different devices. They have different ways to jailbreak. They have different looks and just I think different options. I think Uncover definitely has the most options. I think Uncover is the best. I think checkering is amazing. Besides, you have to use a computer. Chimera, Electra is but like back then it was pretty cool. Like this, I think it's only iOS 11 up to iOS 11. But Chimera's pretty cool. I think the Audacity jailbreak is pretty cool. Having being like develop a jailbreak is pretty amazing. It takes a lot of time, and it's pretty cool. And it's not easy to do. So like the exploits are pretty hard. Put everything together. I can't imagine how hard that is. I mean, I'm lost. So let's share in Chimera. It has that number right there. That's basically the blob for it. Chimera uses substitute, which Uncover also uses substitute. Checkering uses the Cydia substrate. Cydia substrate is better. Substitute as in it's like a substitution basically for Cydia substrate. So Cydia substrate is better though. Substitute is a substrate alternative, offering lower stability and fewer features for developers. You saw tweets from the Cydia package manager. You saw tweets, hashs, libraries, and apps from repositories. It works faster. So that's why you get Cydia. You get Cydia substrate with checkering, but with checkering you do need a computer, which is the only downside of checkering. Also, if it only supports up to the iPhone 5S up to the iPhone X. So if you have iPhone XR, that's X. or iPhone 11, it won't support. Checkering will not support your version, so you have to use, you know, Uncover or Chimera 13 or Audacity, whatever. Lecture 12 jailbreak tool automatically attached if your device an iOS version is supported. So, you know, you can't just you know, it'll be pretty bad if you know, jailbreak supports iOS 12, you know, iOS 13, tap on jailbreak. It's not going to end up good for you. It might screw up your device if, you know, if it allows you to jailbreak a version doesn't even support. So it's good that it doesn't allow you to jailbreak it, because it could mess up your device. Also, you download the IPA right here. Tap on download. So it says 12 to 12.4. So using All Store, follow these steps. Tap on that website. So, you know, for All Store, follow the steps. I drove iOS 12. It says back. You don't have to back up your iPhone, but it's recommended, just in case something goes wrong. But yeah. So just follow these steps, and then you have the change log right here. And yeah, guys. So pretty cool. Feature server on a substitute, but the jailbreak stuff now runs on libhooker. Improves the session rate of Slack Puppet 3 exploit. iOS 12 supports getting and setting generator on A12 on 12.1.3, 12.2, and 12.4. So pretty cool, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.